South Africa ngiyacela sike sibe sober senze le analysis. Yikuphi okungcono ukufelwa ngabantu abawu-10,000 iminyaka yonke nokufelwa ngabantu abawu-100 iminyaka yonke? Sikubeke eceleni babulawa yini, kodwa nje yikuphi okungcono ukufelwa ngabantu abawu-10,000 iminyaka yonke nokufelwa abantu abawu-100 iminyaka yonke? Mina ngicabanga ukuthi asibuyi isigwebo sentambo. Ngokwesigwebo sentambo siyonquma mhlawumbe abantu abawu-100 iminyaka yonke bese sisave abantu abawu-10,000 iminyaka yonke. Isimo esifuze lesi ngiyasazi mina njengomdlali wengidla. Uyabona mawudlala ingidla ikithi qala nje ingidla entabeni isahamba kancane isazogijima. Uma usanda qala nje kusuka ngengidla ivele kube khona into wrong eyenzakalayo engidleni. Lapho sekufanele decide ukuthi uzoyizama le ngidla kuyihambisa ishone ezantsi kuziginqisa igijima kakhulu noma uzoyiginqa manje sahamba kancane. Mina guys ngithi ayiginqike manje sahamba kancane. Mina nje ngoba ngangumshayeli wengidla ngilayisha abantu ngengidla ngangiyiginqa isahamba kancane belimala abantu bethi bheka usiginqelani, kodwa mina ngibe ngazi ukuthi ngibasevile kuphukeni. Akaze kuphuke umuntu mina engidleni yayidriver yimi babephuka kodwa kwezinye ingidla ngoba mina ngangishesha ingidla ngiyiwise uma ngibona ukuthi kuzoba nenkinga. So nalana ke endabeni yokubulawa kwabantu yabo nje inhliziyo yami ihlungu ukubulawa leli khalathi elibulawe ngoDecember 16. Lo wamjida ube committed for isizwe sethu. Ubulewe ke namhla ebulawa ngabantu abangeke bona bafe, bona abanelungelo lokuphila. Kwenzeka kanjani ubulala omunye umuntu bese lakhi ilungelo wena li-remain elakho? Mina South Africa ngicela kubuya isigwebo sentaba. Ngiyacela nje singakukhulumi kuphela ngomlomo kodwa kube nezinto eziphathekayo esizenzayo ezikhomba ukuthi serious ngalento esisho.
Asibuye isigwebo sentambo. Ayibuye angipani. Because what the fuck is this? DJ Waras. I mean DJ Waras. Asibuye isigwebo sentambo bafethu. Akubuye isigwebo sentambo because I'm 100% sure ukuthi labantu abenze lento le bayamazi uWaras ene bayazi ukuthi uWaras bekenzani iJozi. Bazi kahle ukuthi uWaras bekenzani iJozi. Bekayini? uWaras was a patriot. uWaras bekayithanda le country. They killed him because bekathanda le country. That's why he died. That's why he died. He died because he loved South Africa. R.I.P. Waras. Yeah, R.I.P. Yeah. You know, looking back, the days of YFM, kudala, voice ka Waras. Bafethu. R.I.P. nje yami. R.I.P. Kuzocaca.
Namhlanje bahlali good evening. Ngithemba ke ndibuze kuwe. Isn't it time now in South Africa that we talk about death penalty? We need to bring law and order in South Africa. And the only way is that if you kill somebody, you must send you to your ancestors, go and meet your God, because just like this thing extortion, apho abantu besokolusa ukuhlala bebancithekisa abantu. When amapolisa responda kahle uxa bethatha izinja basithumele kwesemkhulu. Now ngithi ke ngokubona bahlali ayilo xesha nangoku ngoba kule democracy ubuye isigwebo sentaba ukwenzela uba umuntu othe wabulala ayazi into yokuba naye uzawugoduka ngoba xa uye wabulala you should lose your right to live at that time, especially if you are found guilty in a court of law. Sisene-chance yoba sithi you will be found guilty in a court of law. Yabona sisamnika i-chance uba sithi uzawuya e-court. We need to do something. ESouth Africa bahlali elekwe 20 minutes kubulawa umntu. Nangoku ePort St John's in fact ngapha kwiilali zaseSikisiki 17 people abaye babulawa phaa kusakhangelwe ezi zinja zibadubuleyo. You know, apha eGugulethu zinto zayizolo nayizolo elinye apha eGugulethu kufunyenwe umntu ongumama ebulewe ecaca into yoba bamdlwengule then bamkwitsha bamxhela bamfaka edrainini. Ndinethemba into yokuba njengoba ndithetha nawe nje inintsi enye onondibalisela uneyenzeka kule ndawo uhlala kuyo. Ndithi ke bahlali kwanele, enough is enough. Death penalty for murderers. Uba ungumbulali funeka uyazi into yokuba the only thing esikayo for wena is your house underground, and it is called your grave. We must not allow this nonsense. Apha abantu babulawa bangathi zimpukane kweli lizwe lakho kwethu. Qina mhlali qina.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozi waseMzansi. Abantu bathi bafuna isigwebo senzamba ukuthi sibuye eSouth Africa because the way crime say high ngakhona eSouth Africa, guys, it's so shocking. Kuthi nje nabantu bayabulawa kungabi indaba zalutho, kungabi khona ijustice. Umuntu nje bayambulala okuthuleke ukuthi do abantu baqhubeke netimpilo tabo, no one cares. Umuntu ufa ngazuthi mhlambe kufe inja or anything. People are saying ukuthi isigwebo senzambo asibuye eSouth Africa, ukuthi umuntu ati ukuthi uma bulele uyobulala nje, make aphule umthetho isigwebo sakhe njena lithuna, because people are now doing a crime, they don't care, they know ukuthi they are not going to be arrested, and it's so sad. Zolo loku, guys, we were mourning the passing of Witness D. Asiga Gwinyi nokugunya logo, guys, sebabulele DJ Waras. People are so heartbroken, and people are saying ukuthi South Africa, it's a crime scene. South Africa indzawo njena sonke lesesabako kuphila kuyo. People are just saying ukuthi sigwebo senzambo asibuye, because lokho kuyowenda abantu ukuthi bati ukuthi uma ngibulele ngiyobulawa nami, sigwebo sami njena lithuna, akusiko kuyejele. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.